She walking like sunrise on the ocean floor, and every heart just start to want more. But she don't belong to nobody's story. She got that slow wine, Caribbean glow, the kind of beauty that the old stars know. Every step she take, the world go quiet, like a sweet little fire, nobody can fight it. Her smile like honey on a broken day, turns every dark cloud to fade away. But she don't give love like a free invitation, she protect her heart like sacred nation. Oh no, she not easy to hold, she got a spirit that shine like gold. And when she dance in the midnight air, everybody just stop and stare. She too sweet to share, too fire to tame, like sugar and lightning, wrapped in her name. Everybody wants her, but she don't care. No, no, no. She too sweet to share, too sweet to share. Too sweet to share, too sweet to share. She got secrets written in her skin, stories of where she never let them in. Love tried come, but she closed the door, said I've been hurt, I don't want no more. Now she walk like ocean breeze at night, calm outside, but she hold that fight. If you want her love, better come correct. No broken promises she gon' accept. Oh no, she not easy to hold, she got a spirit that shine like gold. And when she dance in the midnight air, everybody just stop and stare. She too sweet to share, too fire to tame, like sugar and lightning, wrapped in her name. Everybody wants her, but she don't care. No, no, no. She too sweet to share, too sweet to share, too sweet to share. Maybe one day she go let somebody in, maybe one day she go love again. But tonight she just healing slow, let the reggae rhythm take control. And if you see her on the moonlight sky, don't ask her why, she say goodbye. Just let her be free. That's the only way she believes. Now the whole town talk about her name, but she don't live for the chase and fame. She got power in a quiet way, turns every night into bright new day. She don't need crown, she don't need throne, she got her strength in standing alone. But still she shine like morning sun, a rare kind of love that can't be won. She too sweet to share, too fire to tame, like sugar and lightning, wrapped in her name. Everybody want her, but she don't care. No, no, no. She too sweet to share, too sweet to share. She too sweet to share, she too sweet to share. Let the world beware, a heart like hers is rare, so rare. Yeah, let her be too sweet to share. Reggae hearts don't break so easy, they just sway with the sea. Yeah. Island fire in my heart, burning slow, never fall apart. Oh. I was born where the palm trees memories bend where the sea meets sky like an old good friend. Salt on my skin, sun on my face. Life moves slow in this island place, but deep inside I carry flame, a restless fire that called my name. Even when the night comes soft and calm, I feel tender in my soul like a hidden song. Oh, I try to cool it down, but the fire still run around. Every heartbeat, every sound pulls me deeper to sacred ground. Island fire in my heart, it never dies, burning like the gold in my eyes. Wave can crash, but I won't fall apart. I got island fire in my heart. Island fire in my heart. Oh, it's shine, oh, it's dark. Island fire in my heart. I'm meant to love by the shoreline breeze. He spoke in rhythm like the dancing trees. Told me, girl, let your spirit go free, but freedom always come back to me. He tried to hold what the wind won't keep, but my soul too wide, my dreams too deep. I loved him hard, but I love myself more, so I walked away from that ocean shore. Oh, I tried to stay still, but my heart got its own will. Like the tide, it rise and fall. I belong to the ocean call. Island fire in my heart, it never dies, burning like the gold in my eyes. Wave can crash, but I won't fall apart. I got island fire in my heart. Island fire in my heart. Oh, it's shine, oh, it's dark. Island fire in my heart. They say a woman should be soft and still, but I was made with a stronger will. Like volcanoes sleeping under sea, waiting for the moment to be free. I don't need cage, I don't need chain. I dance to joy, I dance to pain. Every scar I wear with pride, like the moon that controls the tide. If I burn, let me burn in truth. If I love, let it heal my youth. No regret in the path I choose, even when I win or lose. Island fire, don't you fade. You are the life that I was made to carry on, to carry strong. Even when the night feels long. Now I stand where the ocean roars, no longer afraid of closed doors. I am the storm and the gentle breeze. I am the fire inside the seas. And if you come close, you will see a woman wild and finally free. Not broken, not lost, not gone, just a flame that keeps burning on. Island fire in my heart, it never dies, burning like the gold in my eyes. Wave can crash, but I won't fall apart. I got island fire in my heart. Let it rise, let it start. Island fire in my heart. Yeah. Island fire never dies in my heart, in my soul. I am whole. I am whole. Yeah. Another moonlight, we move slow, real slow. Let the rhythm take control. Slow wine under moonlight, everything feels so right. Light come down like velvet rain, soft enough to heal my pain. Street lights glow in amber gold, and every story starts to unfold. I step outside with barefoot grace, cool night air on my face. Heartbeat sync with the bassline sound, lost in the rhythm I just found. And there you are, across the way, eyes like fire but calm and gray. You don't speak, you just pull me near, like the music I was born to hear. No rush, no fight, no need to pretend. Tonight we don't need to defend, just bodies moving with the tide. Let the moonlight be our guide. Slow wine on the moonlight, hold me close, make it feel right. No words needed, just you and I, dancing slow on the midnight sky. Slow wine on the moonlight, ooh, let the world fade out of sight. Slow wine on the moonlight. Your hand reached gently on my waist, time disappeared, no need to chase. Every step like ocean wave, pulling me deep but I don't behave. The city sleep but we awake. Every move that our hearts make feels like freedom in disguise, written clearly in our eyes. And I forget where I used to be before this moment carried me. Now I'm lost in your steady flame, whispering softly your name. No fear, no past, just now we stay. Let tomorrow drift away. The world can turn but we won't fall. We don't need anything at all. Slow wine on the moonlight, hold me close, make it feel right. No words needed, just you and I, dancing slow in the midnight sky. Slow wine on the moonlight, ooh, let the world fade out of sight. Slow wine on the moonlight. Baby, love don't always shout. Maybe it moves soft around like waves that kiss the rocky shore, then come back asking for more. You look at me like you understand. No need to build or make a plan, just this moment, pure and true. All I need is here with you. And if tomorrow breaks this spell, I still remember how it felt. Two hearts moving with the night, everything slow, everything right. If this is just a dream I'm in, let it play again and again. Don't wake me up, don't let it end. Let this moment bend and bend. Moonlight hold us in its glow, soft and warm and moving slow. Even silence starts to sing in the calm that night can bring. Now the night is deep and wide, and I feel you by my side. Every breath we take, a line to lost souls perfectly designed. No promises we have to make, no hearts that we might break. Just this rhythm, just this fire, just this endless sweet desire. And if the world should call our name, we won't answer, we remain in this bubble made of light, dancing slow into the night. Slow wine on the moonlight, hold me close, make it feel right. No words needed, just you and I, dancing slow in the midnight sky. Slow wine on the moonlight, slow wine on the moonlight, slow wine on the moonlight. Everything feels so right. Slow wine, slow wine on the moonlight. Yeah, just slow, slow, slow. Don't let the night end. Slow wine on the moonlight. Yeah, just slow, slow. Rivers know my name, even when I try to hide, they still call me the same. Rivers know run deep, where secrets the valley forever keep. Mama said, child, don't be afraid. The river remembers every mistake we made. I used to sit by the edge alone, talking to stones like they were my home. And every drop that touched my skin whispered stories from where I've been. Something in that flowing sound always pulled my spirit down. Not to break me, not to chain, but to wash away my pain. Oh, I try to run from it all, but I still hear the river call, soft and steady through the night, guiding me back to my light. Rivers know my name, they've been calling me again, through the sorrow, through the shame. Rivers know my name, rivers know my name. Even when I change, still the same. Rivers know my name. I met love where the water bends, where the broken heart pretends that it's whole, that it's fine. But the river saw every sign. He held me close like drifting wood, but he never understood. Some hearts are carved by rain and cannot stay in one place again. So I left him on the shore. I couldn't pretend anymore. The river pulled me back inside, like it knew the tears I tried to hide. Oh, I tried to stay still, but the river had its will. Every wave, every sound pulled my heavy heart around. Rivers know my name, they've been calling me again, through the sorrow, through the shame. Rivers know my name, rivers know my name. Even when I change, still the same. Rivers know my name. I've been broken, I've been whole, I've been fire, I've been cold, but the river never judged. It just carried what I was. Every tear I ever cried found a place where it could hide. Not forgotten, not erased, just flowing back into grace. Now I walk with steady feet, where the river and my heartbeat meet. And I know I'm not alone. The river always brings me home. If I fall, let me fall like rain back into the river's name. If I rise, let me rise again, carried softly through the pain. Oh, river, don't let me go. You are all I ever know. In your current, I am free. You remember every part of me. Now I stay where water shine, and I feel your hands in mine. Not the lover, not the friend, but the river without end. It shaped me, broke me, made me strong, taught me where I do belong. Not in cages, not in fear, but in flow that brought me here. Rivers know my name, they've been calling me again, through the sorrow, through the shame. Rivers know my name, rivers know my name. Even when I change, still the same. Rivers know my name, rivers know my name, and I'll never be the same. Rivers know my name, rivers know my name. Yeah, rivers know my name. In the haze of the evening sky, promises fade like smoke passing by. Heard smoke, broken promises. talk sweet like you knew the truth, but truth don't live in a restless youth. The air will stick with easy lies, hidden behind your gentle eyes. And every word you used to say slowly drifted and slipped away. I should've known from the very start, you were a fire with a fragile heart, burning bright then fading fast, living only in the past. Now I see what it all becomes when love is lost and the damage runs like smoke that rises to disappear, leaving only echoes near. Herb smoke and broken promises, that's all that your love ever is, drifting slow into the night, lost between wrong and right. Herb smoke and broken promises, nothing left to reminisce, just herb smoke and broken promises. We sat for hours in careless peace, letting the world around us cease. But even calm can hide the storm when our heart is never warm. You spoke of dreams that never grew, built on things you never do, and I believed every word you spun, like a child chasing the sun. But love don't live in empty air, it needs truth, it needs care, not just moments that feel so high, then vanish like a lullaby. Oh, I should've walked away when your words began to sway, like smoke that never stays the same, always dancing with no name. Herb smoke and broken promises, that's all that your love ever is, drifting slow into the night, lost between wrong and right. Herb smoke and broken promises, nothing left to reminisce, just herb smoke and broken promises. Now I stand in the clearer light, no more chasing fading nights. I learned that love should feel like home, not a place where I feel alone. The smoke still lingers in my mind, but I leave it all behind. Every memory, every trace I release without a chase, and I forgive, what can I say, even if it slipped away, because some hearts are meant to learn from the fire that they burn. If I loved you true, even if it broke me too. But I won't live inside the past, I won't make broken moments last. Let the smoke drift out to sea, taking all that hurt from me. What remains is calm and clear, a stronger heart that's still here. Now the rhythm feels so free, like the ocean calling me. No more chains of yesterday, I let all the pain decay. You were a lesson, not my fate, a love that came a little late, and I walk with steady breath. No more fear, no more regret. Herb smoke and broken promises, that's all that your love ever is, drifting slow into the night, lost between wrong and right. Herb smoke and broken promises, I release what I don't miss, just herb smoke and broken promises. Herb smoke, broken promises. Now I choose a life that glows. Let it go, let it fade, like smoke in the air. No more broken promises, only peace, only air. Dancing through the rain again, I feel alive, I feel pain again, but I'm still standing. No an old goodbye. Gray clouds crying across the sky. I stepped outside with nothing to lose, just my heart and these worn out shoes. Every drop like a memory, falling down so easily. But I don't run, I don't hide, I let the storm come alive inside. The world gets loud, but I feel free when the rain starts talking to me, like it knows every scar I've worn, every battle I was born. Oh, I've been broken, I've been down, but I still turn my life around. Even when the thunder calls, I learn how to dance through it all. I'm dancing through the rain again, let it wash away the pain again. Every drop that hits my skin feels like freedom rushing in. I'm dancing through the rain again, no more fear, no more pretend. I'm dancing through the rain again. I remember when I used to cry, waiting for a better sky, thinking storms would never end and I would never heal again. But time taught me how to breathe, how to let go, how to believe that even storms don't stay forever, they just teach you to get better. Now I spin right in the flood, let it wash away the mud. Every tear that falls tonight turns into a little light. Oh, I've been shaken, I've been torn, but I still rise every dawn. And when the thunder shakes the ground, I turn the silence into sound. I'm dancing through the rain again, let it wash away the pain again. Every drop that hits my skin feels like freedom rushing in. I'm dancing through the rain again, no more fear, no more pretend. I'm dancing through the rain again. Some people run from falling skies, but I found truth in cloudy eyes. Because the storm don't lie or fake, it shows you what's at stake. And I've been lost, I've been found, spinning circles on the ground. But every fall I rise up slow, stronger than I used to know. Now I see the beauty clear, even when the thunder's near. It's not the storm that breaks my soul, it's the storm that makes me whole. Let it rain, let it fall, I am not afraid at all. Every drop that touches me sets my spirit finally free. If I break, I will mend. Rain will always be my friend, turning pain into a song where I always still belong. Now I walk with open hands, letting life make its plans. No more running from the skies, I just let the storm arise. And I smile when lightning calls, even when the darkness falls. Because I know after the rain I will rise again, again. I'm dancing through the rain again, let it wash away the pain again. Every drop that hits my skin feels like freedom rushing in. I'm dancing through the rain again, no more fear, no more pretend. I'm dancing through the rain again. I'm dancing through the rain again. Let it rain, let me dance again, again, again. But I'm still standing.